Did you know, according to US FBI statistics, a burglary happens on average every 30 seconds? Hi, my name is Dawn Powell, and I am the founder of The Intuitive Pros Security Services. The Intuitive Pros is my locally owned and operated alarm company, and it was created to provide transparency, integrity, proficiency, and personalized service, all while protecting one of your greatest investments. Our services include state-of-the-art security, surveillance, and smart automation systems. Our goal is to create a security solution for your home or business that best fits your wants, needs, and budget. If you are in need of a security company that you can trust, that provides you with first-class service and peace of mind, call us today and schedule your personal security review at 501-912-3101. You can also visit our website, theintuitivepros.com, and follow us on Facebook.